Hi friends, my name is Arindam Roy. Today I will show you Laravel Eloquent queries. So Laravel have a query structure that's called Eloquent. So upon this query, we show the insert, update, delete, search, lots of query here, whatever. So it's very useful to work on Laravel project. So it's very important insert, update, delete, search queries to know this. So let's start the video and let's start the process. Let's watch it. Okay. Next. So we first start our XAMPP server Apache and MySQL already start here. So go to our php section and create a database first. So localhost, go to this my php section. So we create a database first. So this database name is suppose database name is L5 is database my database name is L5 and create a table. Suppose table name is tab1, have four fields. It's okay. So where it's a primary key, it's called id, and the name is another is email, another is phone number. Okay. So name it should be worker and length suppose is 100. Email should be worker and give it the name it's 100. Phone number it's worker and it's 12. That's okay. So id is my primary key, so check it AI field, that means auto increment, and also its primary key, and save it. So I hope that my table is already created. This is my table structure. There is table of three fields: name, email, phone number. ID is primary key, it's not my headache. So first I go to my C drive where a XAMPP folder and htdoc folder, and my Laravel project folder name is L5. Laravel project folder name is Laravel. So this is a Laravel folder you must see here. So let's start my CMD to accessing the Laravel by using the CMD command. So cd xampp XAMPP, then htdocs talks, then L5. That's fine. So to start the Laravel by using the artisan command, so php artisan acrv serve. It gives us a 8000 port. By default 8000 port is Laravel port. So we just open my browser and type localhost 8000. So this is the Laravel first page. Okay, this is our database, this is our Laravel first page. Now we want to connect our database L5 to Laravel project folder. So what is the procedure to connect the database? So within this Laravel 5 L5 folder, we have a page.env environment. So open it. Here we find three tags: database, username, and password. So write down the database name is L5, L5, and username. By default, username is root, and password is blank or null. So it's blank. Okay, that's it. Okay, so just check it. Let's refresh. There is no error. That means it's connect to my database to Laravel folder. At first, we create a model for this table tab1. So Control C, PHP artisan make model. Model name should be table name. Model name should be table name. That means table name is tab1. Our model name should be tab1. Okay, fine. Tab1. Okay. We create a controller. So PHP artisan serv. Oh, sorry, artisan make controller. Controller name is my controller. My controller. Okay, that's fine. So already controller is exist. So I have another controller. um, Suppose test controller, controller. Okay, so this my model is successfully created. Tab1 and controller name is test controller is successfully created. Again we start the PHP partition serve. Okay, we found the model and controller in particular folder. So folder is first we found the model. This is my model tab1. Oh, that's right down. Tab1 have, sorry, it's called tab1.php. Okay, so open the tab1. By default tab1 structure is that, where we create public dollar table name is tab1. It's fine, and we write down a one code is timestamp false. uh, public or protected, you can use PROTEC protected $TIME timestamps false. Okay, if Laravel have each and every table have created and updated fields. So here we don't use created and updated fields, so we use timestamp false. That means we don't need created and updated fields in my table. So this is my model part is completed. Now we find the controller. So this is my model, and within the HTTP, within this controller, my test controller is found. So open my test controller. This is my test controller. Okay, that's it. So at first we want to display my code here. So this is my Laravel first page. So change this first page to my controller page. So go to the Laravel folder. This is the root folder. Open it. Web root. This by default root is that. If I want to change this thing, root 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 colon get, suppose main root, and my controller name is test controller, test test, controller, controller, at the rate a function, suppose test test queer query. That's it. Okay, so if I want to a root section or first page, it goes to a my controller is called test controller. Test controller have a query is for test query. So control C, function fun function. This is my function test query. This function. So let's check it. This is my first page. If we want to refresh this, this is my first page. That means is give this query. I want to reach here by using the get root sign. That means get 8000 port. If we call 8000 port, it first go to my controller, test controller. This is my test controller, and then go find a function is test query. That means test query here. So just check it. Echo hello. So that means I show the echo hello. Okay, so let's do the query section. So at first we just attach our model. My model name is tab1. Here my model name is tab1. Okay, sorry, just my model name is tab1. Just I attach the model to my controller page. So just use app slash tab1. Okay, it's fine. So at first I want to insert some data into table, insert query. So at first in Laravel we create a object of a model. My model name is tab1. We just create a model. So obj equal to new tab1. Tab1 is my model name. We first create a object variable just with obj. Now $obj tends to, that means assigned to name, email or phone number. That means obj name equal to, suppose my name is Arindam Roy. Okay, $obj email is suppose arindam at the rate gmail.com. Other is $obj phone number equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. That's fine. Now obj save. So save. If you just print this thing, okay, save. So I have a object is obj name or in number obj email, that's email id, obj phone number have phone number, then obj, that is object saved, that means inside data. Just check it, just refresh the page. Oh, there is an error. Timestamp must be a public. So here tab1 it should be public, just public public. Okay, timestamp should be public. Then refresh the page, it's 1. If inserted successfully, is return 1. So just check it my database or table, just browse it. It's orindam at gmail.com, phone number is 999. If I again insert some data, so it's my controller orindam roy, that means puja roy, it's puja puja at the gmail.com, and phone number suppose 1212121212. Check it. If again show 1, that means we can insert another row, Puja Roy. That's it. Okay, so insert query have been done here. So let's comment it. Insert will be done here. Now we show view. When I show the view, I want to fetch all data from the table. So dollar data, table name is tab1, that's fine, colon colon all, a double l, all, that's it. That means table 1 from the table 1 get the all data is colon colon all. Just echo, use dd, that means dump or die, like a sprint underscore r in PHP. So let's show, execute it, refresh the page, it show it have two array 2, check it, one one is this array and data will be show is original or in number, and another data show is here but is original Pujaroy. This is the common structure of Laravel to return the data. If we want to clear this thing by using two array array function, here we just remove it, echo pre, and there's the common code in PHP, print underscore r dollar data. That's it. There is a clear structure of returning array. Just refresh the page. That means this is the clear structure of array. One, there is a two row, this is a one row, this is a another row. Okay, this is the view part. Okay, if I want to if just copy this thing, if I want to get data in JSON format, if I want to get data in JSON format, so just write down two array, replace that to JSON. So JSON, so let's check it. So this is the JSON format, so we can easily convert table fields into JSON array in Laravel. So it's so easy. Okay, okay, so okay, okay. Now now I want to find query. So dollar data equal to tab1 colon colon find, find. Suppose I want to find this one number one row, it's echo pre print underscore r dollar data. Okay, I want to find the row number one, so its model name is tab1, table name is tab1 dot find one. So let's check it. There have a huge data section, so just create two array, using two array we get the clear structure of the returning array. Sorry, we cannot find that. Okay, okay, that's it. Find one, we just using get. This is the get function. Okay, here the huge array is two array 1, array 2. Okay, that's it. Okay, now we want to show the update query. Update, so update, that means we create the object first, obj equal to new, table name is tab1. Okay, we create the object. Now dollar obj equal to tab1 colon colon find row number 2. Okay, if obj find row number 2, then obj name equal to xxx, obj email equal to xxx at the zzz.com. Suppose obj phone number equal to 1111111111. Fine. And last line is obj save. So just echo this line, echo obj save. So first we create an object of the model or table name tab1. Object find row number 2. If row number 2 will be find, then row number 2 name field is changed to xxx, email field is changed to yyz, zzz, phone number will change 111, and obj save. Just check it. It show 1, that means query execute successfully. Just check it. It's changed to row number 2 is changed to xxx111. Okay, so I hope you get the query easily. Next I want to show the delete, delete query. So it's very easy. Okay, so get data equal to tab1 find row number 2. If row number 2 find dollar data delete, just echo it. First data is a normal variable, tab1 is my model name, find row number 2. If row number 2 find, then echo delete. Let's check it. It's 1, that means query execute successfully. Check it. Row number 2 is removed. Okay, if I want to row number 20, if not exit row number 20 is not be deleted. Let's check it. Row number 20 is not delete, not a function. Okay, if you occur this thing, find or fail, if fail fail, use this thing. The page not be displayed, that means row number 20 is not here, so it's find or fail query to redirect page to 404. So this is the delete query. Okay, so I hope um, you enjoying the video. And there is a insert query, there is a view query, there is a find query, it's a update query, and this last one is delete query. Okay, thank you.